How to find a great no-code app idea even if you're not creative. Here's the truth. You don't need to come up with the next billion-dollar startup idea. The easiest path? Start with what's already working and make it better. One of the smartest ways to do this is by looking at proven apps in the App Store or Google Play. These platforms are filled with apps that are already making money, have active users, and solve real problems. Here's how to find your idea in 3 steps. 1. Browse top apps in a niche you like. Pick a category. Fitness, productivity, parenting, small business, whatever interests you. Look at what's trending, what's top rated, and what people are paying for. 2. Read the 1-star and 3-star reviews. This is your gold mine. You'll find real complaints, frustrations, and wish it could do this comments. These are opportunities. If people are unhappy with a feature or missing one, you can build a simpler, better version. 3. Build the MVP with no code. You don't need to clone the whole app. Just focus on solving one specific problem better than anyone else. Using tools like ChatGPT, Replit, or DataButton, you can create a prototype in hours, not months. If you've got an idea and want my team to help bring it to life, click the link below right now.